Mega food factories are massive production facilities where food is processed on a large scale. These factories are essential in today's world, where the demand for food is higher than ever. They're capable of producing vast quantities of food products, from canned goods to frozen meals, and even fresh produce. The scale of production in these factories is immense, allowing them to supply supermarkets, restaurants, and even international markets with ease. The importance of mega food factories cannot be overstated. They help ensure that there is enough food to meet the needs of growing populations. By producing food efficiently, they keep prices down and make a wide variety of products available to consumers. Additionally, these factories often employ thousands of workers, contributing significantly to local and national economies. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Mega food factories must adhere to strict quality and safety standards to ensure that the food they produce is safe for consumption. This involves a complex system of checks and balances designed to prevent contamination and ensure that products meet specific quality criteria. Understanding how these factories operate and the measures they take to ensure food safety is crucial for consumers. It helps build trust in the food supply chain and reassures us that the food we eat is safe and of high quality. Quality checks are a critical part of the food production process in mega food factories. These checks occur at multiple stages, from the moment raw materials arrive at the facility to the final packaging of the product. The first step often involves inspecting the raw ingredients to ensure they meet predefined standards. This can include checking for freshness, size, and the absence of foreign materials. Once the raw materials are approved, they move on to the production line, where they are processed into the final product. During this stage, quality control technicians continuously monitor the production process. They use a variety of tools and techniques, such as temperature checks and visual inspections, to ensure that the food is being processed correctly. Any deviations from the standard process are quickly addressed to prevent potential issues. After production, the food undergoes further testing before it is packaged. This can include microbiological tests to detect harmful bacteria and chemical tests to ensure the absence of contaminants. These tests are crucial for identifying any potential safety hazards that could affect consumers. Finally, the packaging itself is inspected to ensure it is secure and properly labeled. Labels must include important information such as ingredients, nutritional content, and expiration dates. This ensures that consumers have all the information they need to make informed decisions about the food they purchase. Global food safety standards are guidelines that help ensure the safety and quality of food products worldwide. Two of the most widely recognized standards are the Food Safety System Certification, or FSSC, and the British Retail Consortium Global Standards, known as BRCGS. These standards provide a framework for managing food safety risks and ensuring that food products meet international safety requirements. The FSSC is an internationally recognized certification scheme for food safety management systems. It's based on ISO standards and provides a comprehensive approach to managing food safety risks. The FSSC covers the entire supply chain, from primary production to final consumption, making sure that all aspects of food safety are addressed. The BRCGS, on the other hand, is a set of standards developed by the British Retail Consortium. It's designed to help food manufacturers meet legal obligations and protect consumers by providing a framework for managing food safety, quality, and operational risks. The BRCGS is widely used in the food industry and is recognized by retailers and food service companies around the world. Both the FSSC and BRCGS require companies to implement a food safety management system that includes hazard analysis, risk assessment, and preventive controls. This helps ensure that potential food safety hazards are identified and managed effectively, reducing the risk of foodborne illness and contamination. Meeting global food safety standards is a top priority for mega food factories. Compliance involves implementing a comprehensive food safety management system that addresses all aspects of production, from sourcing raw materials to final packaging. This system is designed to identify potential hazards and implement controls to prevent them from affecting the final product. One of the key components of compliance is conducting regular audits and inspections. These audits are carried out by both internal teams and external certification bodies to ensure that the factory is adhering to the required standards. Audits help identify areas for improvement and provide an opportunity to implement corrective actions to address any issues. Training is another critical aspect of compliance. Employees at all levels of the organization must be trained in food safety practices and procedures. This includes understanding the importance of hygiene, proper handling of food products, and the use of personal protective equipment. Training ensures that everyone involved in the production process is aware of their role in maintaining food safety. Finally, documentation is essential for demonstrating compliance with food safety standards. Factories must maintain detailed records of their processes, including quality checks, test results, and corrective actions. These records provide evidence of compliance and are often reviewed during audits to ensure that the factory is meeting its food safety obligations. Food safety awareness is crucial for both manufacturers and consumers. For manufacturers, understanding the importance of food safety helps ensure that they implement the necessary measures to protect consumers from potential hazards. This includes maintaining high standards of hygiene, monitoring production processes, and conducting regular quality checks. For consumers, food safety awareness is equally important. It helps them make informed decisions about the food they purchase and consume. By understanding the potential risks associated with foodborne illnesses and allergens, consumers can take steps to protect themselves and their families. This includes reading labels, following proper food storage guidelines, and practicing good hygiene when preparing food. Food safety awareness also plays a role in reducing food waste. By understanding how to store and handle food properly, consumers can prevent spoilage and reduce the amount of food that goes to waste. This not only benefits the environment, but also helps consumers save money by reducing the need to purchase replacement products. Ultimately, food safety awareness is about creating a culture of safety that extends from the factory floor to the dining table. It involves everyone in the food supply chain, from producers to consumers, working together to ensure that the food we eat is safe and of high quality. Avoiding food poisoning and allergens is a major concern for both consumers and food manufacturers. Food poisoning can occur when food is contaminated with harmful bacteria, viruses, or parasites. Symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe illness and, in some cases, can be life-threatening. One way to avoid food poisoning is by practicing good hygiene. This includes washing hands thoroughly before handling food, cleaning surfaces and utensils, and cooking food to the appropriate temperature. Consumers should also be cautious of cross-contamination, where bacteria from raw food can transfer to cooked food or other surfaces. Allergens, on the other hand, are substances that can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Common food allergens include peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, and shellfish. Manufacturers are required to clearly label products that contain these allergens to help consumers make safe choices. Consumers can avoid allergens by reading labels carefully and being aware of the ingredients in the food they consume. For those with severe allergies, carrying an epinephrine injector and knowing how to use it can be life-saving. Awareness and education about food allergens can help prevent allergic reactions and ensure that individuals with food allergies can enjoy meals safely. In conclusion, mega food factories play a vital role in ensuring that the food we consume is safe and of high quality. By adhering to global food safety standards and implementing rigorous quality checks, these factories help protect consumers from potential hazards. However, food safety is a shared responsibility that extends beyond the factory floor. Consumers also have a role to play in ensuring food safety. By being aware of food safety practices and taking steps to avoid foodborne illnesses and allergens, they can protect themselves and their families. This includes reading labels, practicing good hygiene, and being mindful of food storage and preparation methods. Encouraging safe food practices is essential for creating a culture of safety that benefits everyone. By working together, manufacturers and consumers can ensure that the food we eat is not only delicious but also safe and nutritious. Let's continue to prioritize food safety and make informed choices that contribute to a healthier and safer food supply chain.